Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation. And man, today I'm talking about how I just lost today $50,000 in a real estate transaction.
Motivation.
That's right. Welcome to Will Motivation. Holla.
So let me tell you guys, man, what happened to me today. I actually have been looking for a potential investment property because a lot of you guys know I'm working on my online course that's coming out in December as promised. It's almost done. I got the hardest parts of the course finished. It's going to be really good. But what I was trying to do is I was trying to purchase an investment property to kind of walk you guys through the process of buying an investment property from the beginning and then rehabbing it and getting it on the market and showing you guys how it's done. And today I was actually bidding live on an auction for a property. My first time bidding on a live auction like that. And man, I had all the numbers worked out for a property where we would have flipped it and made $50,000. And let me show you guys what happened. All right, so let me show you guys what happened. Basically, I was online working on my real estate course. I got an email, and the email basically was like, there's a property for sale on the same street as my new build project, which is Project Huracan. It is the house that I'm building from the ground up to pay for my Lamborghini Huracan, right? So I got an email, and the email basically was telling me that there's this property for sale for $116,000, which is way below what houses typically cost in that neighborhood. So I was like, okay, this might be a great opportunity for me to jump on this and get this house, right? So let me show you guys. Basically, take a look here. So right here, check it out. This is the house that I got a notification from Realtor.com about this house. It's only $116,000. Then I noticed right here it said auction. So I was like, okay, all right, I gotta maybe get into an auction to be able to buy this property. But I knew the house was worth way more than $116,000. The house is actually worth at least $185,000 according to Zillow, and according to my research. I researched the property. I show you guys how to do that in my course, and all the details on this, and even how I did the bid is actually in my course. But I'm gonna show you guys what happened because I'm pretty upset, to be honest. I know it probably doesn't seem like it, but I'm pissed. I'm starting to think I can't do these auctions because I get a little bit too emotional when I don't win, because I'm used to winning. But let me show you. So I basically did the research on this house. Like I said, I'll show you how to do that in my course and everything. But I found out that this house was up for auction on this website called Private Selling Officer right here. This is it right here. PrivateSellingOfficer.com. I went to the website. I created an account. So I'm gonna log in so you guys can see real quick. But you guys can see that I actually bid on this house, and the auction ended today. And so let me show you guys what happened. So I'll go to my auctions. All right, there it is right here. Auction completed. And where's the history? Bidding history right here. So there was 21 bids. I actually was the first person to bid on this property. I was excited. I bid on it right here at the bottom. On the 22nd, my daughter's birthday, Thanksgiving, I bid $116,000, and I was in the lead to win this property for $116,000. So then what did I do? I said, let me run the numbers. So I was working on my course, and I was showing you guys how to put the numbers in to see how much profit you can make off of a flip. So I put the purchase price in here, I put the possible selling price in here, and this is how much money I was gonna make off this flip. 50 G's, right? So I found this house. It was like the major come up. I'm gonna make $50,000 off this house. I'm the only one bidding on it on the 22nd. Nobody else was bidding on it. I was like, I'm about to come away with the clean 50 G's in 1 week, right? So next thing you know, man, I'm pissed. Next thing you know, somebody else starts bidding on it on the 25th. Then I keep bidding on it, and then they start raising the price up. Now I jumped back in the auction today, and I bid $131,000 because according to my calculation, I had at least 20 grand in contingency, at least 30 grand really in contingency to play with. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna jump back in at the end of the auction, and I'm gonna raise it up to 131. As soon as I raise it up to 131, I'm at an event, I'm doing some work. I had to go. I wasn't able to see what happened. And don't you know, somebody stole this property from me in the auction because I couldn't watch the auction because I was out working an event. And they got this crib for $135,000. And if you plug that number into my flip spreadsheet, they got it for 135. So if we put that instead of 116, if you put 135, let's see how much money they can make. They can make at least 31,000 or somewhere around that, depending on their, anywhere from 20 to 40,000 they can make off that flip that I just missed out on. And if they hadn't run up my bid, I would have made it easy $50,000 off of that property in a flip scenario. I also ran the numbers for the rental scenario for my course, so you guys will see that in the upcoming video or if you sign up for the course. But bruh, I just lost 50 grand that quick. So I don't know. Now I am bidding on another property. I'll show it to you. I hope that I win it. And that property, I'm not gonna show it yet because I don't want anybody sneaking in on my bid to try to steal it from me. But that one is going for about $160,000, and the resale value after rehab, I think, will be somewhere around $250,000. So hopefully that auction doesn't run up too fast and I can sneak that one, maybe sneak in and grab that one. But I got a feeling, man, the real estate market where I'm at in Columbus, Ohio is really hot right now. I probably should have bid some more on this property, but like I said, I was busy at work, working an event. But man, I just lost out on 50 grand.
What up, what up, what up? I want to give a shout out to my guy Will Motivation for doing his thing on YouTube. Y'all go ahead, like and subscribe to his channel. And I see Leroy is trying to come for Holy Tony's spot, so don't make me have to set up a little battle or something. But anyway, man, stay blessed, keep doing your thing, bro. And yeah, man, we out.
If there's any haters watching this, guess what? I'm getting out on Black Friday. Don't even worry about when I get back. Don't worry about what I do for a living. I live stream for a living. Matter of fact, Black Friday, you better be tuned in.